Yan, prepare my breakfast. Omelette, mushroom, bell pepper, tomato, and onion. And then, kesong puti. Salad. Celery. Cucumber. Ternate flour. Then, lettuce. Siyempre, with ketchup. Then, sardinas. With sardinas. I prefer the,